Days after Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan reported death of at least 23 children due to consumption of contaminated cough syrup, Manipur government has banned two brands of cough syrup, namely Relife and Respifresh TR. In an official statement, the Drugs Control Administration, under the Directorate of Health Services, issued a public alert warning consumers, retailers and healthcare providers against the purchase and use of the adulterated syrups, Relife and Respifresh TR, both manufactured in Gujarat. The Drugs Control Administration has also warned consumers, retailers and healthcare providers against purchasing or using these two cough syrup brands. According to the statement, reports from the Madhya Pradesh Government Drug Testing Laboratory confirmed that both syrups manufactured in Gujarat were contaminated with diethylene glycol, a dangerous industrial solvent known to cause acute poisoning, kidney failure and even death. The Drugs Control Department has ordered all distributors, pharmacies and retailers in Manipur to withdraw the affected batches from sale and report compliance immediately. Health officials have intensified surveillance across medical stores and hospitals to ensure the products are removed from circulation. Meanwhile, healthcare providers have been urged to remain vigilant for potential cases of diethylene glycol poisoning among patients who may have consumed the syrups.